Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon. Machine Drawing Unit 1 Sectional Views Part 1. If you want to see the previous videos of all the subjects, click the I button on the top of the video. It will show all the playlists, watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Before seeing the unit sectional views, I will introduce that in this first video what are the units to be covered in this machine drawing and what are the exercises. There was first unit sectional views, the second unit is limit, fits and tolerance, third unit is surface texture, fourth unit is keys, screw threads and threaded fasteners. These all are the 4 units, and also we don't have fifth unit here. For that we have exercises. There are 10 exercises present in the machine drawing subject. They are sleeve and quarter joint, knuckle joint, screw jack, footstep bearing, plumber block, swivel bearing, simple eccentric, machine wise, protected type flanger coupling, finally connecting rod. These 10 drawings are exercises, and I will give the details how I am going to split these exercises with the unit for the videos. First, I am going to take unit 1 sectional views with the exercise of 3 exercises. I took 3 exercises with the unit 1. They are sleeve and quarter joint, knuckle joint and screw jack. And for the second unit video, I will join with that with the exercise of another 3: footstep bearing, plumber block and swivel bearing. And for the third unit, I will surface structure, I will take 2 exercises. They are simple eccentric and machine wise. For the fourth unit, key, screw, threads and threaded fasteners, I take last 2 exercises: protected type flanger coupling, connecting rod. By this order only I will upload the videos. You will watch the videos, all the videos of the machine drawing as further. Now I am going to present the unit 1 sectional views part 1. So what is sectional views? The invisible features of an object that are shown by dotted lines in the orthographic views. But when too much of lines features, the dotted lines makes the view more complicated and difficult to interpret. In such cases, the sectional views is used. So sectional views is nothing but showing in the orthographic view there are hidden parts in the object. It was shown as in the dotted lines in the drawing. By using large number of hidden parts means it have confused our drawing. So we use the sectional views there. Sectional views is nothing but sectioning the object. It cut the object as we required. So why we need sectioning? What are the needs of sectioning? It is used to show the invisible detail of the object, and it is used to show the dimension of the hidden lines detail clearly, to avoid too many hidden lines while making the orthographic view complicated. And what is section or what is cutting? Section is obtained when a portion of the object between the cutting plane and the observer is assumed to be removed and the remaining portion is projected. So, for example, we have an object, we are going to section it, cut it. We have to imagine how they are cutting that object, and the cutted portion was removed and the remaining portion was observed by our imagination, and we have to draw the section. What is section plane or cutting plane? Section plane is an imaginary plane which is assumed to cut the object is known as section plane or cutting plane. Cutting planes are shown by lines made up of alternative long or short dashes. It will vary from one part to another part. If we think the cutting plane dashes are in an angle, perfect angle as 45 degree, 30 degree or 60 degree, we use there are more than one object means take example for two objects. The first object we have a 45 degree at the left angle means in the second object we use the cutting plane as 45 degree at right angle dashes, cutting plane dashes, thick at the ends and thin elsewhere. The direction of the view is shown by two arrows on thick ends and designated by capital letters. So section plane or cutting plane is described by like that. The next one is types of sections. There are different types of sections we are using here. There was 6 type of sections. They are full section, half section, partial section or local section, revolved section, removed section, finally offset section. These 6 are used sections in the drawing. The full section we will explain it one by one in the next video detailedly. Now I am going to give a definition for this full section. In this full section we will cut the entire object into 2 pieces. So this is called full section. Half section means we will cut quarter part of the object. In partial or local section we will cut and remove the parts where we need particularly. So we will remove that part only. So it is called partial section or local section. Revolved section. Revolved section is just a drawing. We will cut whatever it is, full section, half section or partial section. We will show that drawing as a revolved position to the observer view. The section part was drawn on the drawing for the observer view. That is called revolved section. And removed section is nothing. It is just similar to the revolved section, but the cutting section drawing was not in the place on the object drawing. It was separated from the object drawing and it is placed under or above or side of the drawing. It is called removed section. And offset section. Offset section, the cutting plane is not at the straight line. It can be deflected in different parts. So this is known as offset section. Friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching. Thank you, friends.